Using the block editor. If I want to make changes to the block definition, I can use the block editor. It's found in two different locations. First, we can go over to, in our home tab, into our block panel, and we can go in here and go to the block editor, and the block editor dialog box will pop up. Also, we can go over to the insert tab, and we can go to block definition, and we can go to block editor. Once we're in the block edit definition dialog box, it asks us to say block to create or edit. So we pick which block we want to edit. And so I'm going to go with the single sink, and I'll say OK. Now we go into a whole new area in which we can now have all the tools we need to modify this block definition. And for example, I could put in some knobs, let's say. So I could, if I wanted to do that, I could put some circles in here, like to say okay, and I could copy that one. And maybe I only want to go with one, or I want to put a I can erase, let's say. I can add things in, I can erase things, I can modify things. And now I'm all done making my changes to my block definition. I go up and close the block editor, and it says, hey, do you want to save the changes or do you want to disregard? I want to save them, and now those changes have been made. When I go to insert my block and I go to that single sink now, you'll see that those changes are in effect. I only got one circle, and I added the two handles up top. Likewise, if I go to the block editor and I type in a name that's not here, let's say I'm going to say electric range, and I hit enter, it jumps me into my block editor, that special area which I can draw in. And I would do something like this just to make a quick range, right? And I'd quickly draw those things in. Let's say it was something like that, and I would close it, save my changes, and I've created a new electric range now. And I can insert that. And voila. Okay. A little big, but hey. So using the block editor, we can edit the block definition, or we can create a new block.